For today's makeup, I was inspired by fairycore aesthetics. If we live like Tinkerbell and her friends in the forest, our makeup should be very natural, soft, and glowy. Even when I was studying medicine, I learned that beauty should come from within. Inner beauty is reflected in our happiness, our healthy skin, our peaceful mind, our aura, our kindness, or compassion towards others. Here, I'm just applying this soft emerald eyeshadow powder from NYX. I'm obsessed with this color and it goes with any skin tone. And for the inner corner of the eyes, I'm using this soft blush color from Huda Beauty. Then a bit of this champagne highlighter on the brow bones. For my blush, my favorite is this NARS Orgasm blush with some golden shimmer. I need to keep reminding myself that having a healthy routine, such as going to sleep early, is so much more important than consistently applying skincare products, even if it's from an expensive brand, just to recover from these lost hours of rest. And for my lips, I love my Dior Lip Maximizer. It has this natural rosy tint and a minty feel on the lips. I really hope you love this video and enjoy every day.